Okay, so this is going to be a quick video. I got this little case here from URUAV, and this is going to interest those of you that have the Dark Knight Nirvana radio. So obviously this is the case made specifically for the Dark Knight, and it fits in here actually pretty snug. But you can see that the cutout here is made specifically for the Dark Knight radio. You got some extra slots here. I think this is for some extra batteries here. Not exactly sure what these would be for. They're a little smaller, maybe some other kind of batteries, and then maybe some other accessories here. You do have a zipper pouch in the top section here. You can throw in some extra things over here if you want. But unfortunately, it doesn't look like there's enough room in here for goggles if you're trying to put those in there as well. Zippers seem to be pretty ordinary, nothing too special. They don't seem like they're going to break or anything. Yeah, they seem pretty standard. It's a standard kind of black canvas material. I think it's, not that expensive. Pretty inexpensive here. The material is, okay. It's okay. It's not high quality, but it'll get the job done. Typical black canvas. Nothing too unusual about that. And then you have a nice carrying handle here. I would say the case weighs roughly a pound. And it's definitely lighter than the Dark Knight Nirvana for sure. So if you guys are interested in this case, I'll put a link down in the description if you guys want to check it out. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video.